So one thing we've realized when we started our on-ground work is that it has to be an end-to-end solution. It can't be that you just work at the time of procurement or you just work on some of the inputs. It has to be end-to-end. It has to start before the seed goes on ground. And it has to continue through sowing, through the crop growth stage, harvest, post-harvest. It has to be through the value chain, through the upstream value chain. You have to be hand-holding the farmers. If you're not there at the time of procurement to purchase it from them, then what is the point? If they're not able to get a rate above the market rate, even after doing all of this, why should they work with anyone at all? So I think innovation is critical, but also being there throughout this process is important for farmers to take these practices to induce that behavior change. For that, there has to be some short-term incentives as well, and then long-term incentives, which will come in the form of better natural resources, better impacts on ground, better water quality. But that is in the long term. But in the short term, you need to show that you're there, and also they need to be linked to the market.